Hey everyone, welcome back to this beginner friendly HTML tutorial. In this video, we are going to talk about something super useful, lists in HTML. So we'll be covering unordered lists, that is UL tag. Then we will be covering OL, that is ordered lists. Then we will be covering LI, list items, and customizing list types. So let's dive in and build this live using VS Code. So here I have already created an orderlist.html file. Now let's create a boilerplate HTML template. In the last video, I have shown how to create a boilerplate template using emmet. So for that you need to write exclamatory press tab. So you will get an boilerplate template. Now we will change this title to HTML lists. So now let's code inside the body section. First we will add h2 tag for the heading and we will say unordered list. After this we will take the UL tag, that is unordered list tag. Then inside this UL we will add the list items. For example, HTML, then CSS, JavaScript. So an unordered list is created using the UL tag, which stands for unordered list. Each item inside the list is wrapped in an LI tag, which stands for list item. So the browser automatically displays these as bullets by default. So now let's open in browser using live server. So right click here and click on open with live server. So as you can see, we have the heading unordered list and the bullet points of 3 list items. So this is great for menus, feature lists or grouped content. Now we will see ordered list. So let's head back here and we will use OL tag, and inside this OL tag we will add some list items. For example, wake up, brush teeth, then have breakfast, then we'll say start coding. So now we have added the list elements inside the OL tag. So this creates a list with numbers instead of bullets. So let's go back here. As you can see, we have 1 2 3 4 and whatever we have written there. So it's great for step-by-step instructions, ranked lists, timeliness or processes. So you can see the numbers are generated automatically based on the order of items. Here quickly I will add one h2 tag for ordered list. So let's see, we have ordered list. Now let's see the nested list. So I will just say nested list. So nested lists are lists inside each other. So let's see that. So we will take one unordered list, that is UL, and inside this I will add one list LI and say front end. Inside this LI I will add one UL tag. So this UL tag will have HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I'll just copy it from here and paste it here. So we'll just select this, click on format. So here I have list front end and under that list I have HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now here I will add one more list that says backend, and inside this I will add one more UL tag and I will just paste this and replace this with node.js, PHP, Python. So I will just select everything and right click on format selection. So it will automatically format for us. So we have one unordered list created here, and inside this we have two lists, that is front end and back end. Inside this front end and back end we have another unordered list which has HTML, CSS, JavaScript and similarly Node.js, PHP, Python. So let's see on the browser. So Here we have one unordered list. This is another unordered list nested under the front end, and similarly for back end. So you can nest UL inside UL, OL inside OL, or even mix them, that is OL inside UL and vice versa. Now let's talk about custom list types. So I will say one h2 tag. I will just add the heading custom list types. So for the custom list types, we will take order list, and we can have some attributes like type equals to, here if we say capital A, and inside this let's add elements like option 1, option 2, option 3. So here we have OL list, and inside this OL list we have added an attribute called type. So that is, and also we have added the A. If you hover on this, we will get some documentation. That is, if you specify small a, it indicates lowercase letters, capital A uppercase, small I lowercase Roman numerals, capital I indicates uppercase Roman numerals, and by default 1 is the numbers. I will just copy this and I will just say small a, and I will say I, capital I. I'll just select this, click on format selection. So here I have used all the options. So let's go on the browser and see. As you can see, ABC in caps, ABC in small, Roman numbers in smaller, Roman numbers in caps. For unordered lists, we can use CSS. For example, circle, square, or even none to remove bullets completely. So we'll explore full CSS customization in our later videos. So now let's talk about some best practices and semantics. Always use li tag inside ul or ol. Don't place paragraphs or other tags directly. So lists help structure content clearly, especially for screen readers and accessibility. As you can see, it has been clearly structured. So use unordered lists for general items like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and ordered list with sequence matters. So here, waking up, brushing teeth, having breakfast, start coding. So here the sequence matters. So use nested lists for multi-level menus and outlines, and we will see all those in future videos. So now I will just quickly give a practical example, to-do list using ordered list and list tags. So I will just say h2 my to-do list, and I will say ordered list, and inside li I will just say write HTML code, record tutorial, edit video, upload to YouTube. So let's go on browser and see. So it says write HTML code, record tutorial, edit video, upload to YouTube. So this is my to-do list for today. So you can even style this list later to look like a checkbox list, and we will see all those in a CSS tutorial. So now let's quickly recap what we have learned today. So we have learned how to create unordered list using UL tag, ordered list using OL tag, list elements using li. And also we learned how to nest lists, customize list types, and use them for real world content like menus and task lists. You have now mastered the different types of lists in HTML. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and comment below. See you in the next one. Till then, happy coding.